Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Everybody go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't. Subscribe, and we're about to go in there and get a demo. Appreciate y'all always watching. Stay tuned for more videos as well. Definitely hitting hard in this Tahoe.
Oh, baby, oh, hell, well, thank you. I was gonna say I was needing a little sanitizing. Yes, that's good.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's John Harrison. I'm running 4 ZVX 15s on 2 10K amps, and I got 8-inch ports in the rear, and I'm just running the 500 on my door speakers, but hopefully by the next show or next year when we come back around, I'm gonna have 2,000 watts on the doors and running a 8-channel with 12 mids and highs.
Nice.
So I'm trying to talk this next time. I'm beating it down a little bit now, but
yes,
I'm trying to talk a little bit next go around.
What kind of amps are they? The sub amps?
Power acoustic.
Power acoustic, okay, awesome.
They said they was underrated, but
yes, sir. Thank you very much, man. They're doing good, yes, sir.
I wanted to ask you, how are you staying clean and socially relevant during this time of crisis? Oh, well, okay. No, that, you know, that is refreshing, and I like it. But yeah, I'm done with that. Well, what I really wanted to ask is, how are you handling the bitches? Well, I think a double will do me. I think that's good. Now, are you double rapping during this time of crisis with these women? And let me ask you this, if a mofo were to cough on you, will you sling the iron? I'm just curious, we all have to stay safe, we have to stay quarantined. Oh yes, you know, they say that 3 times is a charm, and I think that's gonna do it, but I will. I want you to double dip, and I want you to stay safe. Hand sanitize, keep a social distance. Remember a nice 6-foot diameter. I'm Fillmore Butts. Back to you in the studio, Phil. Okay, let's go, nigga. I just said I was meant for it, look at the chance of the chest for a check, but I stood up. I stood up on that neck for a check. Now my head getting stressed in my bed. I get 300K for a sugar and shit.
All right, bass trick right there, man. Just that one, you can tell a difference. I appreciate the demo. And what was your name?
John.
John, awesome. Everybody give a like for John, man. Thanks for the demo, man.
Appreciate it.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
what's your link on those so I can check it out?
YouTube Jacob Vile.
Okay. I ain't gonna remember that.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.